Hi everyone. If you have students that need a MAP test to be translated, well, there's a couple tools that you might try that won't work. I want to show you two solutions that do. Number one, I did try to use Google Translate in the Chrome app for iOS. Now in the three dots in the top right, we clicked that, we clicked translate, and it didn't work. And I tried on my laptop as well. I even contacted MAP for support and they had some suggestions, but unfortunately we couldn't find a solution. So I found one this morning. So this solution doesn't work, but what we can do is we can take a screenshot. So your students should know how to take a screenshot on an iPad. And then you're gonna wanna save that to your photo gallery. Now this is option number one. We're gonna save it to our photo gallery, open up Google Translate. And you guys will see at the bottom of the screen here, right? You've got your camera. And on the left of that button on the bottom, there's the photo gallery button. You're gonna click on that, click on your screenshot, and automatically it'll translate whatever language you guys want. You can even swipe this out of the way. That's option one. Option number two is perhaps even better, which is if you have a laptop or perhaps two devices like an iPad and a laptop, you can actually just point it right at the screen. And you can freeze it all so it's easy to see, take a photo, and then you can save that, or you don't have to save it to the photo gallery, which makes it really nice for students to just be able to kind of stay in the flow of the test, right? They can look at this device and then go back to their other device, click the correct answer, go to the next question. I actually prefer option number two, especially for your younger kids or kids who are less tech savvy. It really helps them stay in the flow of the test. And, you know, this might be an option that is readily available in your school. If you have two devices, maybe you have a school laptop and the student's iPad, that's gonna work for you. I don't think using the phone app for Google Translate is maybe advised just because the image will be so small. But yeah, try any combination out and good luck to you and your students. Take care.